Hi everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I'd like to share with you my last OG murakami little tiny, oh so adorable bag that I got for my 5-year-old granddaughter. It'll be her first Louis Vuitton and I got it at such a really good price. I couldn't pass up on it. The reason why I got such a good price because there is the red Alcantara lining is bleeding through on the sides, but it is such an adorable bag. I couldn't resist, and she's a granddaughter that always plays in my dressing room. She dresses up, so I thought this would be a perfect little gift for her. And it is from the original collection, so it is from 2003. It comes with a lock here. I did kind of try to shine it up, but it is a bit tarnished. The pull tabs here are in really good shape. You can see it's just, I can't believe it for its age. It's so smooth. The zipper comes with the little tab on the side there. And the vachetta is actually in really good condition for its age, right? It's that nice light honey patina. I added this crossbody chain. I had this in my dressing room for one of my other bags. I just wanted to show you guys, and she loves crossbody, so I added that. It didn't come with the vachetta strap, so that's kind of how it looks on me. It is so tiny, guys, but I mean it is just so cute. The measurements are, it is approximately let me go on this side, guys, 6 inches across, 5 inches down, and about 3 inches width here. But I think this is a perfect bag for her first Louis Vuitton, and I just it's the last piece that I'm getting from the OG collection, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And the inside, the Alcantara lining is actually a really good shape, guys. Like, it is, you can probably, let me see, can you read the, yeah, you guys might be able to, I'll put up close. The Louis Vuitton, made in France. I always say made in Paris, guys, but it's made in France. I don't know why. Made in France. I don't know if you guys can see that. The date was a bit harder to find, but it was, obviously I bought this on the pre-love market, so she did snap a picture of the date code, and I did find it. It's just really super hard to read. So yes, this is the last piece, and I am looking forward to the new collection, but I just wanted to share with you guys my love for the murakami. And I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas and enjoying the holidays leading up to the new year 2025. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye. And I'm joined now with my oldest granddaughter, who picked a bag out of my dressing room, so I didn't even have to go out and get one because she just loves my bags. And which ones did you choose, Boo Boo?
I chose a pink and purple sparkly one. And it is very nice.
It is very nice, isn't it?
Yes, yes, it is. It looks very nice, and it has gold a little bit, and it's not big or small. It's perfect, and it is very sparkly, and you can change it, so it's really sparkly.
That is a great detailed description, Boo Boos, and it is the Coach Sherry bag that I got this year. So now it is my granddaughter's. Do you want to show it? So pretty. You want to put that charm on?
In my backpack.
Oh, okay. And Now we're just vlogging. They also picked out some of my bag charms I have. So that's cute. Very nice. Aw, that's so pretty. What do you like about it?
It's little.
It's little, and what else?
And they have glitter inside.
Glitter inside, yes. And you like the color?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.